Hello everyone, welcome to our discrete mathematics course. In this lecture, I would like to discuss the syllabus and share some strategies to help you pass the subject with ease. Discrete mathematics is a fascinating subject that covers various topics in a logical and methodical way. Now our goal is to break down the syllabus into manageable units and focus on key areas that will help you secure good marks in semester exam. To achieve a good pass mark, I recommend focusing on two crucial topics in each unit. This approach will help you maximize your scores while minimizing the effort. Each unit carries 20 marks, consisting of two 2 marks questions and one 60 mark question. Our target is to attempt at least one 2 mark question and one 8 mark question from each unit. In this lecture, I will outline the specific topic you should cover in each unit to meet this target. By concentrating on these key areas, you will be well prepared to tackle the exam questions and achieve a good pass marks. This is a syllabus, discrete mathematics, unit number 1, logics and proofs. In this unit, we have 6 topics. Truth values, laws of logic, PCNF and PDNF, rules of inference, predicate and quantifiers, validity of arguments. Here, truth values is nothing but it is a declarative statement that determines whether it is true or false. In laws of logic, these laws such as the law of contradiction and the law of excluded middle, logical reasoning and argumentation. Then PCNF and PDNF. PCNF means principal conjunctive normal form, PDNF means principal disjunctive normal form. These are canonical forms for logical expressions that help simplify the complex statements. Next one, rules of inference. These rules, such as modus ponens and modus tollens, allow us to draw the conclusion from the premises and are essential for logical reasoning. Next, predicate and quantifiers. Predicate express properties or relations, while quantifiers specify the scope of these properties and relations. Validity of arguments. Next one. An argument is valid if its conclusion follows logically from its premises, and it's sound if it is both valued and has two premises. Now, from an exam perspective, I would like to highlight the two crucial topics that can help you score well. The two topics are PCNF and PDNF. I already told that principal conjunctive normal form and principal disjunctive normal form. The next topic is predicate and quantifiers. We will concentrate on these two topics and I am confident that you will do great. We will practice some more problems, go over past exam and we will be all set. Now let's move on to unit number 2, combinatorics. In this unit we have 6 topics. First topic is mathematical induction. Second one, pigeonhole principle. Third one, permutation combination. Fourth one, recurrence relation. Then generating functions, and finally inclusion and exclusion principle. Here mathematically induction is these two techniques involve showing that the statement is true for the smallest possible value and then proving that if it is true or one value it's true for the next one. Very clear? Then second one, pigeonhole principle. This principle states that if n items are put into m containers where n greater than m, then at least one container must contain more than one item. That is a page and goal principle. The next one, permutation and combination. Permutations count the number of ways to arrange items in a specific order, while combination counts the number of ways to select the item without order. Recurrence relation. A recurrence relation defines a sequence recursively where each term is defined in terms of previous terms. Then the important one, generating function. Generating functions represents sequence using power series, allowing us to manipulate and analyze sequence using algebraic techniques. So finally, inclusion and exclusion principle. This principle provides a way to count the number of elements in union of multiple sets by adding the sizes of individual sets and then adjusting for overlaps. Remember, I told you to focus on two key topics in each unit. For combinatorics, for this unit, those topics are mathematical index, first one, and the generating function. If you have got some extra time, take a look at the last topic, inclusion and exclusion principle. It is valuable topic that can help you score even more marks. Next, unit number 3, graph. Graph has some topics. Then first one, graph models, graph terminology, graph isomorphism, finally Euler's and Hamiltonian graphs. So we will concentrate on 6 important theorems in this unit, which will give us a solid foundation. Additionally, we will cover graph isomorphism to understand how to identify equivalent graphs. So in this unit, we have to concentrate the 6 theorems and finally the last topic, isomorphism, graph isomorphism. These two topics are very important. The next unit number 4, algebraic structures. The algebraic structure has 4 topics, subtopics. Then first one, properties of binary operations. Second one, groups, subgroups, and related to theorems. Then third one, kernel of homomorphism and based on theorems. Then last final one, ring and field. In this topic, we will concentrate on 3 crucial theorems. This is more enough to get 16 marks. That is Cayley's theorem, Lagrange's theorem, fundamental theorem on homomorphism. These 3 theorems are very most important in this unit. By mastering these theorems, you will be well prepared to tackle the unit and score high marks. With a focused effort, you are likely to get 16 out of 16 marks. Then last unit, lattices and Boolean algebra. In this unit, we will cover the 5 topics, lattices and its properties, Hasse diagrams, then theorem based on lattices, then Boolean algebra, then finally De Morgan theorem. Then in this unit, we will focus on 2 key topics. The topics are De Morgan's theorem, very most important theorem, De Morgan's theorem. Mastering this theorem will help you tackle Boolean algebra problems also. Hasse diagram. Understanding how to construct and interpret Hasse diagrams will give you a solid foundation in lattices theory. So these 2 topics, then first one, another topic, theorem. First theorem, De Morgan theorem. Then second one, Hasse diagram. How to draw the Hasse diagram is more enough to get a high mark. Okay, by concentrating on these 2 topics, you will be well prepared to pass the unit. This strategy is designed to help you secure pass mark, and with practice, you will be ready to move forward. So, the next lecture we will see the unit number 1 and explore the topics in detail. Stay tuned. Thank you.